Okay, I've placed everywhere where it needs to be, or everything where it needs to be, and I need to just tin the tip here with just a little bit of solder. So I just cleaned it. Okay. Sorry for the fuzziness. Then just set it up there and watch it melt onto it. And there we go. And that's it. That's all you need to do. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I don't have a better camera. Just kind of push it down in there if you really want. You see it like turns into liquid metal, and then it just gets real shiny and smooth, just like that. And that one's done. You just want to kind of flip it here to do the next side with the next wire here. Make sure the wire is kind of close to the alligator, but not too close, or the tip of the wire. That way, it's got more leverage for tension to put on it. So you can. So what you want to do is you want to set it to where it sits onto it. So there's a little bit of pressure onto it. That way, it'll melt and just melt into it. Just kind of get under there without getting the other side. And it's starting to go. There we go. And that's it. Good solid joint. No way that's coming apart either. I cut 2 pieces of shrink tubing. You just want to slide them over the ends like that. Get the other one where I put it. That's back here. I'm going to have them both on there. Just like that. Now you can use a hot gun or a hot air gun, heat gun, whatever you want to call it. But I like to use a torch. Because it's a lot quicker. Oops, a little hot there. That's it.